Our first hack is doing customization. To do that, we will go here, then click on custom instruction. We will have this box. This box is called about content about yourself. Like who are you, why you came here, what's your job, what's your interest, what you want here. You have to make it understand here. First of all, you will have to write here about yourself. You can be anyone, like a teacher, a web developer, a graphics designer, painter, writer. You could be anyone. Suppose I will write here about a SEO expert. I wrote here, I am a SEO expert based in New York, optimizing an off-page SEO. Here I specified the off-page. I have to convince ChatGPT this is off-page. Here off-page and on-page has different outputs. So I have to specify which one I want. Or if I would write here only SEO, ChatGPT will never give the proper answers maybe. So now I will write here differently. I am a software developer based in Texas, working for Nasdaq with JavaScript. Plus, I like to experiment with code. I just added my subject and interest both here. Here, I like to experiment with code and my job is software development. Also, I added the JavaScript. So ChatGPT can generate a good output about JavaScript. Now, I will go to the next page. Here it's asking about how would you like ChatGPT to respond. Then in thought of starter, we have where you based. Then the how will be the language. Like it will be formal or casual. Then the length of response. It will be too long or medium. Then ChatGPT will have any opinion or neutral. Then you can also decide confidence level of ChatGPT here. So I will write here, when I ask for coding to generate, just provide me the most efficient codes with code knick-knack without any explanation. So here I specified I don't need any explanation. I want only the codes. So I save these two lines. Now if I create a new prompt here, our prompt is make a simple online group chat box with JavaScript code. So here we have the code only. It gave us the code only without any explanation. Then we can also add the confidence level here. Here I wrote, always add the confidence level of your answer. When your answer includes a valid URL with the source of your answers, plus if you speculate or predict something, just inform me. Now just save it. I will delete it. I will take a new prompt here. When did the Android phone launch for the first time? And who did this first? Here we have the answer. On 22 October in 2008, the first Android phone was launched. We have the source. Also, it showed the confidence level. Okay, now we will generate another prompt. Who is the founder of Rolls-Royce? And what's the first model of Rolls-Royce? Here we have the exact answer. So the time is 1904. Its confidence level is high. And we also have the source. I hope you clear about it. Okay, so our next hack is making it limited. Here we will get what we exactly want, not more than that. For example, we want 500 words or 200 words, that's all. So I will go to the custom instructions again. Here I will write save slash where possible to keep response within 500 words. And I will cut these sentences now. I will save it. Now I will use this prompt. Explain Bitcoin's growth from the first to now. The maximum length of the reply should be 500 words. So it's providing me the answer. Now I will copy the whole sentence. Then I will go to the Microsoft Word. Then I will just paste it. So we can see here we have 488 words. As we wrote, we wanted within 500 words. It provided 488 words. I hope you are clear about this. Okay, now again I will delete it. Okay, so our next hack is different output formula. So now if I write here, make a table with the ICC cricket history between 1980 to 2019. The heading should be the year, winner and runner-up. See, it's generating a table. I can see different outputs from here. I will ask here for output as CSV. So it's generated as CSV. Now if I want a HTML file, so we have the table as an HTML file. Now, how can I know if these codes are correct or incorrect? So I will go to the HTML editor here. Here I will delete everything. Then I will copy this code and paste it here. Then just simply run it. Here we can see the table. So from here we can get any output easily. So this is the different output formula. Okay, our next hack is custom writing style. Now I want the exact writing style of mine. I want them to give me answers in my writing style. Here I gave a prompt. I would like you to help me write articles for my content writing. First, I want you to understand my writing style. Based on the example I gave you, you will save my writing style. After that, you will ask me what the topic of my specific content is. Then you will write the article using my style. So they are just asking for my written sentences. So I will give it here. So I had this paragraph written before. I will copy it. Then I will write here my style. Then I will paste it here. They reviewed my writing style and now they want a topic. So I will give it, write an article about coronavirus and its vaccination. Here we have output. They wrote about the coronavirus and vaccination. What type of vaccines and all. Also, it is in my custom writing style. So our next hack is self-prompting. Here I will write 5 prompts that will really show off the power of ChatGPT. This is the most interesting thing in this video. Here I will write, focus the prompt around writing a cryptocurrency documentary for YouTube. Before you write anything, ask me questions until you are sure that you can create optimal prompts. So I wanted 5 strong prompts from it. Through these topics, they will write the actual content of cryptocurrency. I had written, if you want to know something, you can ask me. So they asked me some questions here, like target audience. For this, I gave experienced investors. Then in number 2, narrative style. For this, I gave be educational. Then in number 3, focus area. For this, I give market trends. Then number 4 is documentary length. For this, I give in-depth because I want an in-depth history. Then the last one, cryptocurrency of interest. For this, I give no borders. If I generate it, they gave me an elaborate explanation of these 5 topics. Okay, so that's all about our 5 ChatGPT hacks.